Once you're logged in, the first screen is the dashboard. Here you can control everything: how many students are active, your churn rate, who has payments at risk, subscriptions that are expiring soon, and your AI credit balance. Next, we have Live Schedule. This is where you manage all the live classes. Everything is organized by level: pre-beginner, beginner, low intermediate, upper intermediate. You can customize it completely according to your school's needs and business model. The system is very flexible. You can also edit any class that has already been created. Very simple. One interesting feature: many English schools have students all over the world. If you need to see the schedule in a different time zone, just change it here. For example, if I switch to Sao Paulo or Johannesburg, the classes automatically adjust to that time zone. This makes it easy to manage students in different countries. Here we have Students Online. If you have more than one teacher using the platform, each teacher can see which of their students are currently online.